What's going on, guys? This is Chris Time. Welcome back to another video on the channel, and today we're gonna be making a video of the 11th gen. And as you can see here, she's sitting pretty on my driveway, and let's do a cold start. It's like 40 degrees out, so I figured might as well. It's been a while since we've seen this car on the channel. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at a new product that Ultimate Motorsports just dropped for the 11th gen Honda Civic. Let's go. Do you have factory mats on your car? Well, throw that shit away because Ultimate Motorsports has brand new floor mats for your vehicle. They're laser measured for your Civic to ensure perfect fitment, no sliding and no gaps. There's raised edge channels that trap mud, sand, and spills, and they're made from an odorless, non-toxic, durable TPE material. See that? See how all the water is just there? You can just dump this out. This could have been on your carpet without this all-weather floor mats. We have a bunch of rocks and a bunch of mud. If you need to clean it, just simply spray it off with a hose. For heavier stains, just lightly brush it off with soap and water. It'll look brand new every time. And no matter how many times you bend this, it'll go back to its original form. Even if I step on it like this, see that? It just goes right back. Want to dry it off quickly? Just use one of these blowers or just wipe it dry. And just like that, it's nice and clean. Looks like brand new. I love my LASFIT mats, but look how much wall Look how much wall this has from the Ultimate Motorsports. I can literally, let's compare the two. See how much more wall you get? So if your passenger or if somebody spills, this will hold more liquid compared to the LASFIT ones. Sure, it has a wall and like this stuff right here, but it's not as high as the Ultimate Motorsports one. So you can literally spill more drink on this one and it'll catch it. Whereas this one, you know, this will overflow, it'll run down, especially this part right here. There was barely any like lip. Whereas this one, this will hold in all the liquid that you spill. And it's a more cleaner look because it doesn't have a logo. They're both really good mats. I would highly recommend getting any of these mats, whether if it's the LASFIT mat or if it's from Ultimate Motorsports. This material is nice and grippy, so when you're driving and you're cornering, if you're on that racetrack or if you're racing somebody, your feet are not going to be slipping. Plus, it makes your car look amazing. It feels like it belongs, giving it an OEM plus look. So guys, if you're interested in this product, I'm going to be linking it down below in the description, so be sure to check that out. I've gotten some products from Ultimate Motorsports in the past, such as a few taillights, as well as some side marker indicators, and some carbon fiber stuff on my FK8s. These are a must-have for your 11th gen Honda Civic. Anyways guys, this is Chris Time. Thank you all for watching, and peace out.